Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off a vehicle that we currently have for sale. In the subject line, it's going to say for sale, and once we sell the vehicle, we'll leave the video posted, but we'll change the subject to sold. But what we have here is a 2010 200 Series Lane Cruiser. It's obviously magnetic gray metallic with a gray interior. It currently sits at 199,000 miles on it, and full disclosure, this was actually my very first 200 series. Although it's not mine now, I bought this truck when it had 99,000 miles on it, so 100,000 miles later, it's come back to Ed Martin Toyota, and I've seen it a lot because it gets serviced here. But 199,000 miles on this vehicle, very well maintained. Obviously, all the important things have been replaced on it, like the radiator. Overall, when I bought the truck at 99,000 miles, I put on the Rock Warrior wheels, which are a 17-inch off a Rock Warrior Tundra. This is a brand new set of Toyo Open Country AT3s. The size is 285/70/17. The Slee rock sliders were added. This is the first gen Slee rock sliders, the rail style before they went to the formed. It's got a BP51 suspension. Typical lifespan from what I've seen on those is somewhere around 100,000 miles. When this vehicle was traded in last week, we went ahead and replaced the front suspension on it because the shocks were leaking a little bit. So it has a brand new set of shocks in the front, BP51 shocks. It does have the originals in the rear. It's gone through various spring modifications over the years as the weight has been added to the vehicle. Third owner of this vehicle added a rooftop tent, a drawer system, also a fridge in the back. So it is a little bit of a heavier truck. It has an awning on the side as well. A couple highlights. If you take a look on the inside, we have the gray interior. And one thing that I think is really particularly cool about this truck, as many miles as it has on it, it has incredibly good condition all around. The steering wheel is in fantastic condition. Really no scratches, ring scratches or any kind of scratches at all on it. The seats are in fantastic condition, even the driver's seat. The bolsters aren't really worn out. The rear seats, the third owner did not have any kids for the last 100,000 miles, so the rear seats are in great condition. The carpet's in great condition. The radio works fine. The color has stayed in it. Backup camera works. Power telescopic steering wheel works. Really, I don't know of anything on this vehicle at all that is non-functional or not working in proper order. So, kind of walking around the outside of it, it's got Prinsu roof rack with a 40-inch light bar. It's the Midnight Edition. It has scene lights on both sides. These are the rigid 1x2-inch scene lights with a 30-degree angle on them in amber. The rooftop tent is an Alu-Cab. Everything that you see on this vehicle is included. So the rooftop tent, the awning, the scene lights, everything here, it's basically a 200 series ready to go. It's got about $30,000 in modifications on it. It does not have a dual battery, but it does have an Odyssey Extreme battery. Again, tires are brand new. Okay, now that we have the back opened up, we got our ARB drawer system, which does lock. It does have the slider on the driver's side, which is great, so it doesn't block your view of the rear view. But the slider mount really isn't that necessary on this particular fridge, because if you slide out the fridge like this, it actually has a separate mechanism that you can pull on and lower the fridge really low. So if you're not a super tall person, then you have the fridge. It's an Engel 45 liter. And basically you get it nice, and you don't have to pull the fridge slide out. You're just using the actual Clearview slide. So to put it back, there you go. Pull that all the way up. 2 levers to slide it in. And it slides in nice and tight. Drawer system currently has the ladder for the Alu-Cab rooftop tent in the back. And last but not least, on the side, we have an Alu-Cab 270 shadow awning. This particular awning is really designed to marry directly to the rooftop tent. I think that's a really nice highlight between the Alu-Cab tent and the Alu-Cab awning. Because if you want to remove this tent, it's really just pulling it off the awning. So it doesn't really require much effort at all to pull this awning off if you didn't want to have it on there as a daily driver. Cool thing about this particular Alu-Cab awning, and really just all Alu-Cab awnings, is because they're made out of aluminum, they are lightweight, but also they're not going to rust. If you are driving through an area that has maybe some brush areas, some of these really expensive, like the James Brood and some of the iCampers, they're the material that they're made out of, like that carbon fiber, lightweight, high strength material. If you hit a branch on it, you're going to get a crack in it. So having an aluminum awning actually has a lot of value to me. So if you're looking for a fully built 200 series Land Cruiser on a budget, this may be the truck for you. It currently is for sale, and if the title of the video says for sale, then it's still for sale. There'll be a link to the vehicle description page to our website and my cell phone and email address in the comment section. If you guys, if it says that it's sold already, then I'm sorry. But if you guys like the video, please hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future Land Cruiser content. And again, if you have any questions whatsoever, ask in the comment section below or give me a call.